Checkmate to failure. The boy who conquered his grades through chess. Struggling in school and barely passing his exams, young Leo felt like he was stuck in a never-ending losing battle. But everything changed when he discovered the game of chess. What started as a simple hobby turned into a powerful tool that sharpened his focus, strategic thinking, and problem-solving skills. Watch Leo's inspiring journey as he transforms from a failing student into a top achiever, proving that sometimes the best lessons in life come from the unlikeliest places, one move at a time. Episode 1. The struggle begins. Leo sat at his wooden desk, staring at his test paper. His heart pounded as he flipped it over, revealing a sea of red ink. 2 out of 50. His teacher sighed, her eyes filled with concern. "Leo, I know you're trying, but you need to focus more on your lessons," she said gently. Leo nodded, but deep down, he felt hopeless. No matter how much he tried, the lessons just didn't make sense. Numbers danced in his head, words blurred together, and every class felt like a battle he was destined to lose. At recess, he sat alone, watching his classmates talk excitedly about their grades. He felt like an outsider, stuck in a cycle of failure. That was when he noticed a group of students gathered under a mango tree. They were laughing and moving small pieces on a checkered board. Curious, he walked closer. "What are you guys playing?" "Chess," one of them replied. "Wanna try?" Leo hesitated. He didn't want to embarrass himself again, but something about the board intrigued him. The way the pieces moved, the focus in the player's eyes. "Okay," he said, sitting down. Little did he know, this simple game would change his life forever. To be continued.